Greetings. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm Will Wills. Once again, welcome to my channel. So today I want to share the only three, and the fourth one is just the additional, the VST drum plugins that you need to have for your good reggae production. Last time I brought about third-party VST instruments that you should have. This time is VST drum instruments. So if you are new to the channel, stick around because there is good news that I'm dropping at the end of this video. Saying, without wasting your time, let's get into the tutorial. Disclaimer, I'm not paid by any of these companies that I'm mentioning. The views about this are mine, except with one company that I am affiliated with, and that one I will leave my link in the comment section below so that you can purchase the drum, the VST drum, and you can enjoy making good music out of it. So thank you so much. Without wasting your time, let's get into the tutorial right away. Alright, so like what I said at the beginning, reggae genre needs good instruments, good drums, good guitars, good basses, good keyboards, and all those kind of instruments that you may have known to be associated with reggae music. Saying that is why it is very much necessary for you to have very good plugins when you're making reggae music, especially when it comes to drums. And here's my list. VST number 4 is Groove Agent. This Groove Agent is from Steinbeck Cubase. So once you purchase your Cubase, definitely you have an opportunity to have this drum VST. Sometimes if you may not manage to purchase, you can have a trial version which you can use it for 60 days. In the process of registering the Cubase, you will have everything given to you, like these drums, so you can download and you can test. Now, listen to me carefully. Steinbeck Groove Agent 5 doesn't have a specific drum set for reggae, but there are a number of good drum sets in that drum VST that you can manipulate to your advantage for your reggae music. That is why it's on position 4. Yeah, so this is what it is, you know. So you get your drum, then you'll be good to go. Once you purchase your Cubase or you do the trial version like the way I said at first. All right, let's go to XLN Addictive Drums. XLN Addictive Drums, this company makes very good drums. Let's check it. So this is the drum, right? Every drum set that you may be looking for, they make. And the good thing is that they have something like for reggae. Saying that's the good thing. See, they have something like this, authentic reggae rhythms. So it's about $1995. This is their price. This is a very good drum. They have their samples you can check around just to feel out how good this VST drum is. All right, but if you come back, I think this is their price, original price. If you buy this, you get most of all those good stuff that you can get from this. Okay, you can check it around. There are videos on YouTube. It's a long time I used this drum VST, long time, I think 6 years ago. I'm very much pretty sure they might have updated a number of things in this VST. So try it out. Let's get to number 2. So number 2 is Majestic Fire by Premium Sounds. Now this one, now we're getting there. Now we're getting the real stuff here. Premium Sounds is the company that I reviewed their drum around October. I reviewed their drum. They are very good drum VST for reggae. These ones make a VSTs for reggae strictly. Yeah, here it is. So here it is, and there are videos on YouTube you can check around. I also did some review on the same drum. Yeah, there's a lot, some good stuff here. See. See, you can hear the sound. Very good. The drum VST is dedicated for reggae strictly. Saying, I will leave the link in the comment section below as I stated. If you want to purchase it, you can use my link at a very considerable price. Yeah, they are not making this one only. Majestic Fire. There is, apart from Majestic Fire, there is Nyabingi Drum as well. I also reviewed it, Nyabingi Drum. Yeah, so this is Nyabingi Drum. So Nyabingi Drum is mainly for those who are making, if you want to make chant reggae. So there are very good packs there for chant reggae, good. And if you buy this one, you get free samples again with BPM already. So you can just be dragging and dropping, whether in FL Studio, whether in Ableton Live, and then begin to play your instruments around there, around those drums, and then yeah, you have your everything. So that is it. So Majestic Fire and Nyabingi, these are the best drums you can get for reggae if you don't have any other alternatives. So let's quickly jump to number one. So number one is Drummer by Toontrack. The good thing about Toontrack also is that they have a special kit for reggae music. And in that kit, you have very good hi-hat, very good kick, very good limb shots, very good octabands, crash cymbals, something that you really need as a reggae producer when it comes to drumming. Yeah, so this is their drum, right? There is Superior Drummer or is Drummer. So they have been like releasing 1, 2, and 3. This is the free version. Now, like what I said, let's check the reggae kit. You see, they have everything here. Reggae is bass mid, reggae whatever, reggae beats. But what we're looking for here is this one. So this is the drum. Here we go. You get this, you'll be good to go. I can promise you. A number of different drum sets in this reggae kit here you can use, and you can be enjoying making your reggae music. See? So yeah, basically that is it. So that is it. So if you purchase, you have everything that you need, and then your music, your reggae production in terms of drums, you'll be good to go. See? Yeah, so basically this is what I've prepared for the 4 VST plugins. In case you may have other VSTs that you know, you can drop the names and the companies that are making in the comment section so that other people can also check. I can also check as well. Saying thank you so much. Now here is an additional information apart from everything that I've mentioned. Use samples. If you don't have samples, I have samples. That is why I said you should wait for the good news. I'll drop the free reggae sample pack in the comment section below. You can download. I started dropping it in 2024. But apart from that, I'm also setting my top range samples. Those are like premium samples for me. I'm setting them at a very considerable price. They have everything from kicks, snares, rim shots, hi-hats, drum rolls, reggae drum rolls, that is what I mean. And there are a number of things going on. You purchase the whole pack, you will be able to enjoy to make your good music there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this channel. If you're new to the channel and if this video was okay for you, you learned something, thank you so much. You can kindly leave a comment, share the video, like, and also subscribe, you know what I mean? So that we can grow the channel. I respect each and everybody for joining and also for following this channel. You can also join membership if you want to, for membership exclusive packs, for membership exclusive content. You can join as well. Salute to everybody. Respect.